Today I will be sharing 5 tips for vegetarians who are struggling to meet their daily protein requirements. Protein is an essential nutrient for the body's growth, repair and overall function. So it's important for vegetarians to find alternative sources of protein to meet their dietary needs. Here are 5 tips to help you on your journey. First, incorporate plant-based protein sources like legumes and tofu into your meals. These provide a good amount of protein along with other beneficial nutrients. Second, include a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet, such as almonds, peanuts, chia seeds. They not only add flavor and texture but also pack a protein punch. Third, don't forget about dairy and eggs if you include them in your vegetarian diet. These are excellent sources of protein. Fourth, experiment with protein-rich whole grains like quinoa, rajigara and buckwheat. They are not only versatile but also provide a good amount of quality protein. Finally, consider adding protein supplements like pea protein powder if needed, especially if you have higher protein demands, such as athletes or pregnant women. By following these tips, you will be able to ensure you are meeting your daily protein requirements as a vegetarian.